guys, welcome back to my channel. So for all those who don't know me, hi, I'm Anushka Kerkar and I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm going to be showing you all some easy hairstyles which you can use in your everyday life. When you go to college, you go out with your friends, some easy hairstyles which are really quick when you're really in a hurry and you just need to do something and get out, because I am always in a hurry and still always late. So these really work for me. So let's begin the video. So guys, hairstyle number 1 is the most easiest hairstyle in today's video, and it is personally my favorite go-to hairstyle. So for that you need a TikTok pin, or else you can even use a bob pin or any colorful pins you have, because I have a lot of chote clips, different colors, like almost all colors. Like I have really a lot. So for this hairstyle you have to just take your hair back, and I just put the clip. Same on the other side, you have to just clip your hair. Try and keep it closer to your middle partition. That's it. We're done with hairstyle number 1. It looks super cute and it's an effortless hairstyle. And if you have colorful pins, it will look more cute and more attractive, just like this. So this is the cutest hairstyle, and this is how it looks. It's matching to my sleeves, if you can see, orange. So this looks super cute and very much attractive. So this is hairstyle number 1. It's a cold-blooded love. It's a cold-blooded love. Let's break each other's heart. For hairstyle number 2, you need a side partition. So I'm going to make a side partition first. So here's my side partition, and now you're going to again need clips for this hairstyle. And for this hairstyle we are going to take one section from here, twirl it with another one and clip it. So I'm going to show you on how. So first I'm taking a small section. So guys, hairstyle number 2 is done, and this is how it looks. I'm gonna give you a closer look. So this hairstyle really looks so super cute, and it's really easy. You just need to take one section and keep twirling them. You can make it as long as you want, but I usually like just half to be there. Guys, for hairstyle number 3, we'll have to again go into a middle partition. So I'm gonna make a middle partition, and for this you have to tie a pony. Okay, so middle partition mein hi pony we have to tie. Tight, and now you gotta remove your flicks. Just pin some clips over here. You can use 2 different color clips or just the same 2 color clips, or you can even use one if you want. I usually put 2 of the same color, but today I'm just trying, something with the different colors. So guys, this is hairstyle number 3. This is the most easiest hairstyle for that. Just leave one side and your clips. This looks super cute. Robin's on the wall inside my head, inside of me. Guys, let's move on to hairstyle number 4. So for 4 you don't need any clips. Only you'll need it if your hair comes out. So number 4 is a half pony, and for that you're gonna need just a rubber band. So we're gonna take half of our hair and tie it into a pony. So it's not a proper half pony, but it's kind of a messy half pony with a middle partition but. So this is hairstyle number 4. Now it's time for my 5th and last hairstyle of this video. So this is every girl's favorite hairstyle at one point of time, when we are so irritated by the hair that we just want to put it up into a bun. And also sometimes, when a hair is so frizzy, or you're just not wanting to do anything with your hair, I think this is the easiest. Just tie a bun and do what you want. So for this you need just a rubber band, and I'm gonna show the hairstyle to you. You have to put your hair behind, take it into a high pony. So I'm gonna turn behind that you can understand. So guys, this is hairstyle number 5, the messy bun. I hope you all understood it. It's a little complicated at the start, but once you're used to it, it's quite quick to do. So I feel so relieved. And this is hairstyle number 5, and we are done with it. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. So if you liked the video and got to learn something from it, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon for updates whenever I post a video, and let me know in the comment section what videos you all want to see next, or if you all want to see a part 2 of this hairstyle. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. So thank you so much guys once again, and bye bye till I see you next. Take care of yourselves and your families. Bye. Yeah, no, no.